Do you want to understand real English conversations on a first date?
Or maybe you want to speak English more naturally when getting to know someone new.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about first dates, hobbies, favorite foods, and funny moments.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about first dates and getting to know someone.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use in real-life conversations.
Let's get started.
Hi, Paul. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
How was your day?
Pretty good. How about yours?
It was great.
I'm glad to hear that.
So, tell me a little about yourself.
Well, I work as a photographer.
Really? That's interesting.
What about you?
I'm a teacher.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do.
That's great.
What's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza.
Everyone loves pizza.
What about you?
I love sushi.
Nice choice.
Do you like traveling?
Absolutely.
What's your dream destination?
Japan.
I've always wanted to visit Japan too.
Maybe one day.
Hopefully.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I enjoy watching movies and reading books.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I like hiking and taking photos.
That's really cool.
Have you ever had an embarrassing moment on a date?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I spilled coffee on myself.
No way.
Yes, right at the beginning.
That's unfortunate.
We laughed about it later.
Good.
What about you?
I forgot the name of the restaurant.
Seriously?
Yes.
I walked in the wrong direction.
It was very embarrassing.
At least it's a funny story now.
Exactly.
Sometimes funny moments make conversations more memorable.
I agree.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.